Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we've got something back in the shop from Badass Beard Care. Beard, not beer. Beard Care. Wow. Okay, so stay tuned after I roll that intro. I'm going to show you exactly what came in that little package. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. I know you have a lot of options out there, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you long-time viewers who haven't done it yet, and you first-time guys, look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, it should pull up subscribe. Go ahead and knock that out the way early, and you ain't got to worry about it for the rest of the video. Okay. As you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at Badass Beard Care's The Outlaw Beard Oil. Now, we've brought a couple of theirs before to the channel, and if you look up top, you're going to see a card to every single beard review that beard care product review that we've ever done. You're going to find 2 of them in there as of this point, because I've only got 3. Now, what instantly hooked me about this one is its scent profile. It's a mix of sweet tobacco, vanilla, and black pepper. The black pepper caught me instantly, and I went, I have got to bring that to the channel. And yeah, we're going to do some things a little differently on this video, okay guys? What we're going to do is we're going to have a special guest right now. And no, it's not the cuteness factor, it's the Brat's first appearance on the channel. Freaking static electricity. Alright. Say hi to everybody, Amber.
Hi.
Okay, this is the Brat. We love her to death. She's my ultimate pain in the butt. I swear this is going to be the one that's going to kill me. But I figure I'm the one who usually smells it, so let's see what she thinks. Take a whiff. What do you think? What do you smell?
Cinnamon.
You smell cinnamon. What is it with you and your brother? I swear, every single beard product I give them to smell, they either smell cinnamon or pumpkin. Earlier today, when I had her smell something that I'm going to be bringing to the channel soon, she goes, I smell bird meat. Really? Seriously?
Love you, Daddy.
I love you too, baby girl. Now say goodbye to everyone. You've made your appearance.
Bye-bye.
Tell them keep watching videos. Tell them keep watching videos.
Keep watching videos of Daddy's videos.
There you go. Now you can go. All right, little shameless plug. I really don't care. Now, she smells cinnamon. I really smell the tobacco and the pepper, which is really, really cool. It's a definitely interesting profile. All right, its scent strength, and I will tell you, honestly, it's about a really medium. It's not a punch you in the face kind of thing, but man, you know it's there, and it smells good. Damn it, it's still there. Anywho, all right, what I like about this company is they use totally all-natural ingredients. Now, the carrier oils and all the other wonderful stuff in here is apricot kernel oil, argan oil, jojoba or jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, tobacco absolute, black pepper oil, vanilla absolute, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, eucalyptus oil, and I swear to God, I love when they do this. They say pure bad assery. Right there on the label. Hopefully you can see that. What I like about their bottles, their artwork is pretty cool. And it's really, really simplistic. Okay? This is a veteran-owned company, and they are made in the USA out of California. Now, what I love is Charlie, the owner of that company, he enlisted in the wake of 9/11 like a whole bunch of people did. Now, he can only serve about a decade due to various medical reasons and injuries, so he got medically discharged. When he got out, he got to live his dream of, I want to grow a big old Spartan beard. Kudos, brother. I love it. Everybody, I swear to God, when you get out, the moment you sign for your DD-214 and you cross that gate for the moment, this instantly happens. It just goes poof, and your beard's there. Not really, but still. All right, so I love how he puts it. He got sick and tired of having the scratchy face and wanting to peel the skin off his face. So he went out and got, some high-end beard products. Well, they gave him a really, really bad experience, so he went, there's got to be something better out there, and he designed Badass Beard Care. There was a need, he made a solution. That's what veterans do. We don't kick back and go, oh God, poor is me, woe is me, whatever. We fix problems. Yeah, I know. Y'all wondering about prices and all that wonderful little stuff. Well, little 1 ounce bottle with, you know, the eyedropper top on Badass Beard Care is $14.99. It's very, very positive looked at for this one. 5 out of 5 stars on their website, or 4.9, I think it was, with 172 reviews on badassbeardcare.com. On Amazon, where I bought this, it was $14.99 with a 4.6 out of 5-star rating and 1,013 reviews. They were seriously across the board, but everything was very, very positive. I will tell you, out of the 3 that I've had so far, this one blows away the competition that I've had from Badass Beard Care. I've only had 3. I like the Royal Knight. The Ladies Man was just like, damn, lemon. But this is just like, it just fits, and it just feels perfect, you know? But if you're unfamiliar with, oh crap, I forgot to show this stuff. I'm sorry. So here, let me divert and then circle back. It comes with its own neat little pouch, and basically application instructions. And this is what I like. They give you little guitar picks for helping pull out beard balm. So I thought that was really, truly freaking awesome. I don't know why my first one didn't come with one. I don't care. I've got 2 now, and I think they're freaking awesome. But like I was saying, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, all right, basically it's real simple. You just get whatever in there, and you can see it's got a really golden... All right, guys, camera took a dump on me for some reason, so I don't know where it cut, but I'm going to back up to where I think it ended. The oil with a golden tinge is okay. All right, anything with pumpkin seed oil in there is a lot darker, more earthier. But it's just like I said, how the carrier oils mix. You get whatever amount you need inside your eyedropper. Everybody uses different amounts, okay? Some people tell you use 1, 2, 3 drops. Some people tell you use a full dropper. Honestly, everybody's beard is different, and everybody's applications and everybody's things are just different. Find what works for you. But you get your oil in the dropper, put it in your hands, rub it in, and then start working it into your, your skin. Especially down here in what they call the dead area. Beard oil is more for your skin underneath your beard than it is for your beard. Now, your body can only produce so much oil in order to help keep beard hair and every other hair growing healthy and happy and, luxurious. So beard oil is kind of like a vitamin supplement for your skin, with the added bonus of making your beard smell a heck of a lot better. I'll admit it, sometimes you're out there sweating like, like the day is long, how should we say, and smelling like the south end of a northbound mule. Yeah, you're like, damn. But beard oil helps eliminate a whole bunch of problems, and it's freaking awesome. Now, here's the important part. I want to know what you think. I know this review is a little different, a little weirder than what you guys are used to from certain other channels, but here we do things a little bit differently. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, all that fun stuff down below in the comment section. You know I'm going to get back with you. You know we're going to have a great discussion about things. Now, I especially want to know if you've used Badass Beard Care before. If you have any great things about them, any problems with them, you know what I'm looking for. So let's get a good discussion going. Now, here comes the wrap-up. Alrighty, so for you first-time viewers, like I said in the beginning of the video, thank you so much for finding this video. It means the world to me that you chose one of mine, because I know there's like millions of options out there on YouTube, and thank you for investing your time in my channel. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time guys who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance at redemption. Look down below. I believe it's going to be in that corner over there. That one. Going to be a big channel logo popping up. Seriously, camera dumped again. But anywho, beat up its little brother, the bell icon. Why? Good question. That way you, my amazing viewer, will know every time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My look at Badass Beard Care's The Outlaw Beard Oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.